good. It's torch.
I like it.
You're gonna go fume.
I know, holy shit, dude. I hit that shit like 12 times. Not that I did. Whatever, it's just gonna get me more patient. Guys, this is all I'm looking for on gold. I literally sent this to my chat. Why is the target here? You guys choose what you want to do. But I'm not trading gold right now. Maybe you could take this one. Shout out to my boy Stop Loss Matters.
Yo, somebody got in gold. What's your stop loss? What is it?
I don't think FX May has seen the clown though. No cap. Who's shirt? Oh yeah, where is my hoodies too? Yo, that should be taking mad long. I wake up every day and I think about that.
Who'd you miss the hoodies with? What'd you do with the rest though?
Cause I did it through Teespring. It's like a company that does that for you.
No, the rest.
And they, no, cause they just do the orders and everything.
Oh shit.
Yeah, and if you go to my YouTube and you scroll down, you can see all my merch.
No way.
I think so.
Good morning, squad. Welcome. So, we'll get ready over here. Hope everyone had a really good weekend. Good morning, right? We're filling in. Beautiful. Welcome. So, yeah, let's get my phone up and everything. We'll get ready to start off this week over here. So the first thing that we see right now, for the start of the day is we have a JPY bank holiday, so that's probably why GJ hasn't moved much through Asian, right? As you can see here, we haven't really moved too much. Yeah, actually we have. We moved like 60 pips, but not really anywhere. So that's okay. Max, I've just joined the mentorship. I'm still in those 20 people. How can I join the other groups where members can talk to each other? Yeah, brother, you got there just in time. And if you go to the chat one, so if you go to here, if you go to this, which you'll be in, go to the pinned message there, and then you can join it. So don't worry about that. Just go to the pinned message, and you should be good. So yeah. Took 4 trades, 2 wins, 1 break even, 1 loss. Nice. Where did you take that? Today already? Holy shit. Nice. Okay. So yeah, that's 6. Oh, nice. Okay, beautiful. So yeah, we're going to go through this together. I've also said to people on Discord, I want some nice chart work today. This weekend I'm going to pick some people for Magic Keys giveaways, so that'll be good. Let me just see something over here.
Morning, Maxi.
Good morning, my
guys.
boy. Morning, boy. Morning, Rush. So yeah, we'll get into this in a second. But yeah, JPY bank holiday, which shouldn't really affect us at all. Oh yeah. So I looked at this gold little 5-minute break. I've been seeing recently at 6:20 there has been mainly 5-minute goldy trade. So you can see over here, this is just a black TED. So respecting the trend line, a closure above, a lower wick. You can either get in on the retest here, which would have been pretty amazing, or you could just wait for the flip and then there's your trade. TP1 should be there, TP2 should be there, or to that wick high there. So that was rather nice. So yeah, pretty 4 I think. Wow, she got some nice Asian trades. Okay, so let's get into this over here, right? So first thing is that the daily time frame, the last ones have closed bullish. The weekly time frame also closed bullish, like I saw. Yep, weekly closed bullish, rejecting the lows. So it looks probably more likely that we're going to go for bullish buys in the next couple days, which is okay. We like bullish buys. So let's just mark up the daily time frame. So let's mark this up. Daily time frame, the 4-hour time frame. So you can see that we're very close to where price is open, because we haven't really moved much, right? Because there's been no volume, because it's been a bank holiday. Okay, that's what you expect. Exactly, that's exactly what you expect. Okay, so you can see recently towards the last couple hours of the last days, like here, it was getting a little bit choppy. So I hope people left that alone, because it would have been a little bit hard for you guys to take trades. Okay, so looking at it now, 30-minute, 15, yeah, so overall looks pretty hard, right? What I can see to the left is, you know, when I'm trying to look for resistance, I can see that we've made one here. We had some here, we had some here, right? So looking at that basis, resistance, I'm probably going to want buys above here, right? 164, 650, right around those areas. Yeah, let's see if this matches up with anything over here. Yeah, it does. So that looks like a major level of resistance. I think buys above there would be rather nice. Ooh, I've got my nice little fan that's blowing on my feet. It's crazy, great. Tell you what, last night I was heating up, man. It was getting way too hot.
Still so hot.
Oh, mate, yeah. Tomorrow's gonna be like fucking 40 degrees. 40 degrees in the UK. Oh my god. Yeah, not the best, man. So yeah, and then and then for sells over here, right? Sells are gonna be quite hard because the left hand side is pretty ass, right? So, you know, especially for like, you know, when I want to take nice trades, I don't want to be taking trades in this area where I've, you know, a lot of hard rejections everywhere. I would say if you're looking for aggressive sells, probably like below here, but it's just not worth it with the left hand side. So I'm just gonna leave it the fuck alone and probably look for sells. Yeah, probably all the way down here, to be honest with you.
I think the cleanest sells on GJPY pairs is Aussie AJ.
Is it?
I'm looking for something because it's in that consolidation area now, and then we have below 93, 900. We have about a 20 pip range.
Take a look. Let's take a look. Agreed, yeah. You can see that pretty easy, right?
Yeah, so that's about, I think that's the cleanest setup. for this morning.
Yeah. I'd probably say below 94 there, yeah. Yeah, agreed. Agreed. Let's take a look then. GJ looking like it's breaking 50-minute highs right now. Let's look at the 30-minute time frame. Oh shit. 30-minute time frame. Yeah, breaking up as well. Looks quite interesting to come back to the highs now. Let's look at the hourly. Hourly closed bullish. So yeah, I mean, actually, to be honest with you, these buys don't look too bad. I mean, this 5 minutes are a little bit oof, but they don't look too bad to maybe come and retest the highs. We've rejected back at this level again, so yeah, it could be nice. My only issue is, yeah, the zone is very, very hard. I know someone just got slapped there on buys. I can see my name a little bit. Yeah, so bank holiday is Asian bank holiday. Damn, bro, you trading without looking at news, bro? I just looked, bro.
Smart money concepts, man. Come on.
So 9 o'clock we got Italian, so we're okay. GBP is tentative, but that's alright. We don't have to worry too much about that. So we're okay today. Yeah, my just thought on this is that we've got to be a little bit cautious. I have a feeling this is going to continue bullish. Oh my god. Yeah, I think there's no rush right now. To look at the 5 minute, what the 5 minutes are doing. Yeah, the 5 minutes are looking painful. So.
Putting phone, bro. You miss sample, you know. Me planning.
Right, poorly boy, turn that off. So let's look at the hourly time frames, and yeah, we got a lot of wicks to the downside. Yeah, this is hard, man. This is hard. We'll see, man. If a lot of volume comes in, then maybe taking the sells below the daily flip. But it's just the left hand side is just choppy, right? So there's no rush. So let's take a look at EJ. Let's take a look at EJ. Even pre-London is pretty dead volume. Yeah, it's been pretty bad. Daily time frames at a very interesting level, come towards this daily support again. Looking like it may be rejecting a little bit right now, but we'll see, right? So daily time frame here at the moment is bearish. Also, I apologize for my nose. I'm pretty ill for some reason again. I'm always fucking ill. Okay, so kind of the same thing. The daily and the 4 hour flips are close to the price and etc. because we're not really moving too much yet. However, looking like we could be breaking the 4 hour lows soon. Hourly time frame is coming down. Okay, that 50-minute time frame made a nice top wick there actually. That was rather nice. Did anyone try and get into that? Was there enough zone to this leg support? 8 pips. So, I mean, let's take a look at the 30-minute. Yeah, so this for me is probably the next support. This area here. 139,400. So I think potentially 139,400 sells below would be reasonable. The reason why I say this is because there's resistance there, there's support there. If we do get a closure below that area, we could at least come and hopefully continue bearish to 139,240, this little area here. So that zone is, yeah, it's like 15 pips. And then furthermore come to a more beefier support, which is down here at 139. That could be realistic, I think. I think that should be pretty good. So yeah, sells below here. So yeah, that could be pretty good. Did anyone take themselves here? You have like 6 pips now. I'd put a break even for sure because you're coming towards Asian lows and hope price can continue. Good morning, guys. So yeah. Also, people who have joined the mentorship, I'll add you to the G drives after this, guys. So don't worry about it. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 people that have joined, so yeah. Don't you worry. AJ gonna go. Yeah, it's got 9 minutes left. Could be quite good. Yeah, I agree. Let's take a look then. We'll do some analysis again. But yeah, EJ sells below, and obviously buys are gonna be quite hard. So I'd probably just wait for buys above here, to be honest. That's probably what I'm gonna wait for.
Gold retesting that trend line,
Oh, is it?
and it closed bullish with a 5.
Ooh. The only issue is that 15 was very strongly bearish. 30 did as well. But yeah, look at that. Oh, you can get on the break at the high. That 15's a little bit scary for me. I wish I got into that. That was nice there to start off the day. Always trade with a clear nose. I tried. Okay, so looking like the daily flip on AJ is right at 94. Let's put this on over here. There we go. 4-hour time frame, bearish right now, broken the low of the previous, so looking like we're being a little bit bearish right now. It's okay. Hourly time frame, yes, the hourly time frame looks like it wants to continue down, right? So look at the 15 and the 30. Looking like we have pushed down already. We'll have to see where this closes, but I'd want a closure below 94, I think. Even if I wanted to be a little bit safer, I could do 93, 950 there. That's probably where I'd want it, I think, because taking a sell right at 94 would be a little bit scary. And this is the major resistance here, so a closure below there would be much easier for us. And as you can see, we've already reacted off it, so we can see clearly that this is a level that we could not mess with right now. Yeah, I was doing some. I was sorting out the G drive yesterday, and man, I was like just fully dripping. Like, you cold? I'm fucking ill, but I'm also hot. To be fair, it's actually not that bad. It's not that bad yet at the moment, but I know like in the next hour or so, when the sun comes up more. Oh my god.
Gold's just going.
Yeah, broken the highs now.
Yeah.
How much would you stop if it broke the highs? I think for me that 15 man just will put me off.
Yeah. If I paper traded this and if I would have taken it on the flip,
Yeah.
that would have been 10 pips. Yeah.
Yeah, that's nice.
Mr. Brian.
How's it?
Yeah,
Mr.
green.
Brian in the building.
How's it going? How's it going?
Bro.
Ready for the new week?
Yeah, boy.
You sound very, very relaxed and like relaxed.
I got home like late yesterday afternoon and just slept, man. Just had a recharge.
How was the weekend?
Was it good
We're
fun?
ready.
So yeah, GJ looks a little bit like shit, I'm not gonna lie. Do you agree, Brian?
Yeah, it's hard. 15's hard.
Yeah.
It's a mess. I've also got the highs and the lows there, same as you.
Yeah.
We'll just have to see where we get a strong volume break, then maybe we can get something.
Yeah.
Hard range from Friday, right? So it's wiki.
I got 10 pips on GJ earlier this morning.
Is it?
The 5 minute made like a double bottom. Broke that.
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah. And then when it broke that resistance on the top there, yeah, right there.
Wait, on that one or that
Yeah,
one?
'cause that's also that's also
next one?
4H.
Next one, that one.
Yeah,
Yeah.
right there.
Yeah, that's 4H flip, right? So it makes sense.
No, I got an on the flipper that candle there.
Ah, there.
Yeah.
That's strong.
Yeah, that's nice.
I barely got 10 pips.
Oh, you scared the 10.
The scary minutes like that.
But I,
No,
partial,
but itches.
Yeah.
I closed partials at like 7 already, so.
Nice. Let's take a look if AJ's gonna close. Oof. 93,785 would be the target. The zone's big enough. Gold 5 minute trend line there was Brian.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
See, you guys got a nice trade Friday morning, you bastards.
Yeah. Yeah, but it wasn't actually the cleanest, Brian, because basically
Yeah.
I was out the night before, so I was a bit all over the place.
So you weren't the cleanest, is that what you're saying?
Yeah, I wasn't the cleanest, but what I was doing was I was looking at GJ and TradingView with everyone else. I was getting my signal ready on the right hand side of MetaTrader. I was looking at EJ. So I had all my points for EJ, the signal was for EJ. I was like, oh shit, I got to EJ. Actually, the EJ played out even better than GJ, to be honest. I should have fucking left it. But, so I closed that. So then I got in a little bit late on GJ, but I still got like my 8-9 pips. So I was happy.
Yeah, I got it in the car on the way.
Did you?
Yeah, I was like, I'm not missing this fucking closure, man.
Nice.
How was the golf though?
Yeah, it was good. Yeah, it was good. We came out winning, but then we lost at the end. And the night gets late, you know what I mean? You always lose that battle, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Hi, I would like to know if the strategy taught in the mentorship is discretionary, or is it a mechanical one? What? Will help me with that.
Well, it's not discretionary if you're in the mentorship.
I'm so shit at words. What does discretionary mean?
Well, there's no discretion in the mentorship. You'll learn it. You know what I mean?
Right, yeah.
So it's just somebody using bigger words. That's all it is.
Yeah.
Somebody was on Google before they typed that message.
EJ is like barely breaking below.
Ooh, EJ runs though, so I'm pretty happy. How is it stop speed right now? 20 pips. Oh, Jesus. Had some Red Bull in the morning. We'll see with this closure, we'll see. But it's looking good, man. I like it when Asian has bank holiday, because there's so much volume in London. I like it.
Do you want EJ to have a closure below the 1H?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's the same as your 30 and 15. Yeah, fair. Yeah, it's the same.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello, Finny boy.
I heard my name.
Are you back?
Yeah.
Are you back home?
Nah.
No. Are you staying with Benny for a while?
Yeah.
That's sick.
You should see us, mate. We've got the full battery pad.
That's great.
I saw an
Got some bangers
Australian,
on Friday.
Did you?
Yeah.
Got some straight bangers.
watching the
Big
golf
bang.
yesterday, and I saw that an Australian won the British Open.
Yeah, Cameron Smith. Sick.
Yeah,
Didn't
Shit.
the English rugby beat the Australians?
No.
Oh.
South Africans
pussies.
won, mate.
no, England won Australia.
Fucked
Yeah, we did win.
Yeah, we fucked them all, mate.
Yeah, fuck you, Finn.
And what did you beat us in?
Fucking rugby.
Rugby union.
Oh, rugby
Oh,
union.
Unions
Yeah,
for
union.
fags.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, but the Aussie rugby hasn't been good for many years already.
Oh God.
Nah. Nah.
Let's take a
Not
look
good
at
at soccer either.
Yeah, you just a bit shit at everything.
But yeah, well, we don't play sports where if you get flicked on the ear, you cry like you just got your leg cut off.
So yeah, guys, I said last night, if you guys do want to win some magic keys, this is your time to do it. Go into Discord right now and put in a detailed chart for either a trade you took, a loss that you took, analysis that you took, where you want to take trades, all that kind of good stuff. And we'll see what we can get. So EJ's not closing. AJ's. I want AJ to close a little bit lower, I think. Yeah. GJ looks like it's gonna fill this zone, to be honest with you, but it's just the candles a little bit crap on the left hand side. Look at this. Yeah, man. I think I may just leave GJ. Yeah. I think he's turning Vietnamese, fuck's sake. Yeah, I think AJ has the most probability, but I may just wait for this 30 close, I think, because then the 30 will close below. Let's take a look where we all closed. EJ didn't close below, that's fine, and GJ's just fucking around. So So it's okay. We're still very, very early. JPY holiday too. Yeah, but the JPY holiday should normally mean that London moves a lot because it hasn't moved a lot in Asia. Normally when I say JPY holiday, London's pretty big, pretty beefy. Yeah. Anyone looking to try and take these GJ cells? I don't know where your TPs would be, but it'd be a bit of more of a send it. How much would your stops be? 20 pips. Ah, it's painful. It's painful. I saw fucking Sashin's car got robbed or some shit. No. He was like, Max, I want to try and edit one of your YouTube videos. Give me one. So I was like, okay, I give him it. He goes, it's going to take you a while now because my car's just been broken into. I was like, bro, we got to get some pips, man. You got to move out of that area. Bless him. Is he here?
Nah, he's only gonna join us for NY.
Is he?
That's looting
I think
for
he's
you,
got to
bro.
sort his car out.
You think he's what?
Probably gonna sort the car.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh shit is that?
I know.
It's probably Saffers in fucking England.
8 pips to break the low. I think this could be a good opportunity if the left hand side wasn't dog water. So I'm just gonna leave it. But we'll see what we can do. To look at the 30, so 30's coming down. Hourly's pushing down. 4 hour is pushing right back into the zone. So let's see. Nice retest back on the daily flip as well. So look at the 5 minute. 5 minutes okay as well. See if you can squeeze out to 10 pips maybe. But yeah, I'm not taking this. The zone to the left is way too bad. We have people marked up support on gold. Yeah, we'll go through gold as well together. Yeah, that 5 minute break was nice. So let's just get this up and running. Still very, very bearish on Goldie. We do need some sort of retracement soon, which would be nice, to be honest. Let's get this sorted. 232 people in here already. Jeez. Very, very nice. Yeah, so I yeah, went out on Thursday night and man, I am sick of going out. I was so I was dying really bad. So I just wish you could go out and just buy a zoot. Have a zoot and just chill in the club. Not a fucking drink. Ah, kills me. Okay, so hourly time frame, right? Looking like we're already starting to cause a little bit of resistance already. On the hourly time frame. This is something that Don normally likes to take, especially NY session, right? This is the resistance here. This is the support. We've came back. We've come above it. If you get a closure back in the zone, we should fill the zone up. Okay, so that's something to pay attention to. Let's take a look at the lower time frames. Yeah, lower time frames. It's it's not really showing much direction, to be honest. There's a support back down to 1712. So probably sells below 1712 would be quite nice. This is a clean candle to the Asian lows. That would be quite nice. And yeah, I think maybe buys potentially above this resistance we've just made right now. 1717. Pretty simple. Yeah, so I was saying to the squad, I was watching Raj's video on the gold, like the 70k one he took, and he went into 50 or 50 pips profit, didn't put it to break even, came back up to entry, and then it dropped again. Like, oh my god, like what the fuck?
Yeah, you'll never know. That's the thing. You'll never know when that happens.
But he held it though, like he didn't close anything.
Yeah, but you're never gonna know what the outcome is when it comes back to entry.
Yeah, yeah.
So that also scares the shit out of me.
Yeah, yeah, like my guy just held it. I was like, shit. I would just love to see him do it live, man. From top to bottom. Because what is he going through his head there when he's up 60 pips and it comes back to entry? Oh, isn't that everything that you've told everyone not to do?
Not to do. Yeah. Exactly.
EJ had a nice 50-minute flip, but the range is too small. Yeah, man, it's too small here. Gotta wait lower, for sure, for sure. 36 like, guys. Make sure you like the stream up. We're ready for this week. I'm ready. I'm ready. Don't think the charts are ready yet. They need to wake up. They need to drink some of this Red Bull I'm drinking. Where's Jason?
Jason is a big 20 pops up.
On what?
On gold.
Did you take the 5-minute trend break over here?
Yeah, but my trend line is lower. Yeah, lower.
I took.
So that all. No, I didn't take that.
This is the one that I saw, which I wanted to take.
No, I actually took the sell.
Where?
So, would you try to be wider?
The sell.
I took the sell, yeah. So you see from the the double bottom.
Here.
No, down, right below it. Yeah, from that weeks over there.
What the fuck? I could not see that sell. Go for
Just
it.
draw a trend line from the. Okay.
You do it. Just go for it. Yeah. EJ's spazzing out. Yeah, exactly, man. That's what you expect with these new days, right? Gotta chill out.
So that's the sell I took.
Oh, what here?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, I can see that
So-
one. I thought you were getting it here. I was like, what the fuck?
Nah, I got in way high up there with my stop loss. Like in that region.
Mm,
Then I also had that is like an untested area.
mm. Nice.
All heads up on that short.
Hey?
No heads up there. No signal, Jay.
Yeah,
Weekend was expensive. We got to make our bucks back, boy.
Oh my god, this guy in the chat. Red Bull's so early, Max. Why not coffee, bro? If I drank coffee right now, I'd be having to put my fucking balls in the fan instantly. Not doing that again. I'm drinking an ice cold Red Bull, and I'll be doing this all week until the fucking heat wave goes. I've got a
All the
fan.
good tasty things you could drink. A fucking Red Bull.
Yeah.
Serious?
What other things?
I don't know.
Red Bull and
Go and get
vodka.
a.
Yeah.
Yeah, go and get a. Yeah, I reckon. Go and get a sex on the beach or something.
I'm fucking sick of drinks after that Thursday night. I had way too many cocktails that night.
We'll see.
Ah.
Can't hack it.
It's also because we're all smoking each other's vapes, so we'll get each other's fucking germs, and you just get ill.
Is it hot as shit over there right now?
Yes, it's fucking way too hot. To be honest,
Really?
to be honest, my room's actually doing not too bad right now. I'm no touch wood, but what's the temperature right now? Last night at like 8 o'clock, it was like 29 degrees. What the fuck is this?
It's 20 degrees at the minute for me.
Yeah.
By 2
Yes.
o'clock, it's 34. That's fucked.
Oh,
That is
man. Oh, I'm gonna be
Absolutely sexual here.
sweat.
22 degrees.
Wow, that's nice. 22. I thought it was winter.
It is. I'm in Queensland. It's actually nice.
Oh my god, I watched a documentary about sharks with Chris Hemsworth in Australia. Bro, I want to go so bad and learn how to surf. That's so fun. Do you know how to surf, Finn?
You want to
Nah,
surf
my
the
dad
top.
owned a surf shop for 30 years, but I honestly can't surf. I'm not even joking.
Really? Is that like something that you can't just like pick up and like do a little bit? You gotta do it for
Fucking
fucking
scared, man.
hours.
Scared.
Nah, I was just always into motorbikes, so
Yeah, fair.
we should look it up. It's sick.
Yeah. Do you need to have any prior training experience with the mentorship program to be valuable, or does it teach the basics as well? And no, I think you should know the basics. So basically, what I'm planning to do in the next, I've always decided to do this, but I just need to get going and do it, which I'm gonna start this week. Is I'm gonna do a playlist or like a bit on my YouTube channel for complete beginners, like complete beginners, right? Because for the mentorship, it's just showing you how to get profitable. It's showing you the strategy, but I want you to know what bullish and bearish means. I want you to know, how to set up your MetaTrader. I want to know how, you have your magic keys. I want to know how much leverage you want to use. So I'm going to do that in the YouTube thing. But if you want to know, that's all, on baby pips. A lot of that stuff's on baby pips. I'm setting up MetaTraders online and stuff. But yeah, there's not like a main like thing that you can go through. So that's what I'm going to do. But yeah, I mean, to be honest with you, when you join the mentorship, I mean, people can say here, but for the most part, I'd say after the first week, you know what we're doing. It's pretty obvious. You go through the drive, you know exactly, the trades we're taking, what the setups are like. But for the real beginner, like literally, if you've just came on the stream and you have no idea what trading is, then yeah, I'd wait a little longer. I think you should just come on here for a little while, and then you'll get used to it. But yeah, I gotta do that, man. Hardest part of the trading is the mental game. Yeah, so we're really good going through the mental psychology, all that kind of stuff, which is the hardest part. But that's the hardest part after you've been through the hard times of losing a bit of money at the start. You have to go through that, right? For most people, not Finn, because Finn's a fucking god, but for most people in trading, you gotta lose a little bit of money at the start, because then your emotions, you can see how you deal with that when you lose a bit of money. You don't get that from nothing. You got to do it yourself, really. Do you know Raja Banks? Yes, I learned from him. He's the boy. Yes, I'm a god. Got to learn to be sick of your own shit before you make a change. Yeah. Exactly. It's 79 degrees in Texas right now at 1 AM. Oh my god. Yeah, but on your house is built of like fucking paper and you've got like fans everywhere.
They'll have air conditioning, whereas you guys don't have air conditioning.
Yeah. Fucking dying. Oh my god! Yesterday, I was cleaning the house. I was cleaning the flat, and mate, I was tripping. Like I was dying.
You want cells on GJ Max?
On GJ. Yeah. Look, right. So like, I was saying maybe the break of the slow you could continue down, but like the left is too ass, and you can see it's struggling. So yeah, I think I'd want cells, but I'm not asked about getting him in these zones here. It's just gonna be, as we always say, right? If it looks shit and you take a losing trade there, what are you gonna have to put in your journal? It was a shit
100%.
zone. So what's the point? There's just no point. There's no point.
On gold? What do you want? What do you want further on gold?
Yeah, I think to be honest with you, the sells could be quite nice soon. Below 1712, because this clean candle is nice. Is also. Yeah, it's untested area here.
Yep.
So that could be rather nice. Have we got a kind of zone where we could break out of on like a black TED? You could take a look. Have you got a trend line here? Where we?
I don't, because I wanted it higher up, but that could be valid, eh?
Yeah.
Because it will coincide with that sell below zone.
Yeah. Then a retest back up. Yeah. Could be okay. For sure, for sure. Take a look. My school's still open during the heat wave. Yeah, I've seen a lot. Why are the UK being so dramatic about this as well? I don't get it. It's fucking. They're making it a massive deal. Like, oh, it's a really warning. People are gonna die. Just drink cold water and stay indoors, or just put some fucking factor 50 on. I don't get it. UK are a bunch of pussies. They literally are. Like, what the fuck is this?
Yeah, you said it.
We are.
Quit your bitching.
We love to moan.
It's like we can moan going, oh, it's hot, but I'm not like, oh my god, it's life threatening, I'm gonna die. Like, what the fuck is this? And like, and then in winter, oh, it's snowing, it's gonna freezing cold temperatures, and we're gonna all like, just come on, just grow up a little bit.
The kids break up in like 2 days anyway, don't they?
Yeah,
just say, oh, just don't come in.
Yeah, I would just sack my kids off anyway. They won't be going in.
Literally.
The last day of school, mate, all you did was fuck around and watch a movie. It's funny, I was speaking to my dad, and like he was saying that when he was younger, the teacher used to bollock him for taking me on holiday, and he was like, I literally just couldn't care less because I knew you wouldn't fucking learn anything anyway. Like, he has to stay in school. You can't miss a week of education. He's like, this is like in year 4. So he just goes, right, okay, give me all the work he needs to do this week, and we'll do it on holiday. And then they're like, oh, yeah, yeah. They give him like, they try and give him loads of work to show that it's like he's actually missing loads, but he knows it's just bullshit. For real, national emergency. Yeah, that's what they've called it, a national emergency. Oh my god. I tell you what, people who like watch the news, like just watch it like on a day-to-day basis. My mum does it. No wonder she's got crippling anxiety. Holy shit! Every day, there's something new about something going on.
Do you hear the new variant of COVID now? Oh my fuck, the ninja variant. Like, they don't even fucking have good names anymore.
Yeah.
What the
Ninja
fuck?
variant, fucking hell. Man. My grandpa's 96, so I'm taking her around a paddling pool for her today. See, that's good shit. Exactly. Just dip her in the pool. Okay, GJ's breaking the low again, but it took a long time for this first one. If the UK has a tea shortage, it'll be a national emergency. Yeah. We just like to whinge about stuff. The news is silly. So yeah, GJ's still. Are people still in these GJ cells? Like getting a bit bored of them now. It's taking a while. Hopefully this can continue now.
I actually had an emergency now this morning when I took this gold cell. Like my PC wasn't on yet, nothing. And I was like, holy shit. But obviously I had an emergency, you know. I'm not still gonna say what it is. And I took it, man. That's why I couldn't even. That's why when I came on, I thought the guys probably spotted it.
On GJ?
No, on gold.
On gold, yeah. I just missed. I missed my morning entry, which is there. I like that one. It seems to happen at 6:20. I see a lot of moves happening at 6:20. Yeah, I just really can't get up that time, man. I need another 20 minutes.
No, fair enough.
Thanks, man. I've done a couple of online courses to understand the bare basics, but yet to make my first trade, as I'm not 100% confident with how to work MetaTrader, etc. We'll look out for a YouTube vid. Yeah. People have been asking me how to set up MetaTrader and stuff. I gotta do that, man. I should get someone like Sashin. I should get someone like Sashin to edit it and do it for me.
There's a very, very nice video on YouTube.
Yeah,
Is there?
I just send people when they don't want to find out how MetaTrader works.
Yeah, look on YouTube. There'll be something there. Hey Max, I have a quick question. What should we do when the price is between the FOR and the daily flip? Normally, sit on your hands and just let price sort itself out. Yeah, normally if it's between, like here, it's not really the nicest area. It normally shows that it's ranging, okay? Yeah. Because the higher time frames are contradicting, right? Ooh, the GJ sales didn't work out. So there you go, right? So people who took maybe losses here, maybe you got in on the break of the low there, and you've just taken a loss, a 9-pip loss there. What are you gonna write in your journal? Why did you lose the trade?
I fucked up.
Because the zone is ass on the left, okay? The zone is bad on the left. So when you go to your journal and you start writing this, you know, what I always say is, when I was younger, you know, if I took that trade, I'd be like, man, what the fuck, why did it not work, blah, blah, blah. But all you should be thinking about is, right, why did this not really work over here? Broke the high now, and I lost, you know, 9 pips. Why didn't it work? Well, because the traffic to the left was horrendous, and it didn't make my trade, you know, smooth. It didn't work out, okay? So next time, what should you do to avoid this? Wait for trades to have clean traffic to the left, okay? That's all it is. And there you go, Bob's your uncle. Move to the next one. Don't get emotional about it. Don't think about it too long. Just go, there you go. Traffic to the left was shit. If you actually drew every single support, you could draw on there. You could draw on, you know, there. You could draw on, there's loads. Right? The traffic to the left is horrendous. So then you can start to get a data sample and go, you know what? When there's traffic to the left, it either makes my trade harder to get to TP or it doesn't work at all. Very, very low probability. So just leave it out. Look at gold. Yeah. Nice. 5 minutes closing now. Isn't closing below yet, but
I'm in balls,
are you still holding that one here?
Yeah, man. I'm up like 35 pips.
Nice. Very good, very nice.
40.
Have you
What the hell?
closed anything yet or not?
I closed the half
Yeah.
at 20.
Nice. Very, very nice. Gold had clean traffic to the left and closed bullish in 30-minute. Yeah, it's suddenly rejected. Gold had clean traffic to the left and closed bullish on the 30. Okay, let's take a look. Oh, here. This one? On the 30? Oh, there. Did I have clean traffic to the left? No, I have resistance right there. And also the zone to the left here isn't the nicest. If you look to the left here, this is wiki areas there. That's not clean. Okay. What is clean, however, is this. Oh shit, 1 second. This is clean. Which is why I want buys above there. Yeah, boy. GG 5-minute trend line. This is the third touch for me. Oh, nice. Holding the 5-minute trend line. Beautiful. Very nice. Hey, I tell you what, this Red Bull's made me feel wide awake. I'm gonna have one every morning.
You won't make it to 40, mate.
Yeah.
Alan, wake up and start the day with a Red Bull just because it's
Yeah.
Not bad, mate.
40, good
40,
luck.
no teeth. Buzzing around the room every morning.
Sometimes
Who gives wings?
Sometimes there's a lot of space between the 4 and the daily fib. If we see a break, should we take the trade? Yep. I think you should for sure if the zone's big enough, etc., etc. As long as you've got one of the time frames with you, which you obviously would, then yeah, for sure. He sounds and looks high. Me, I'm probably high in this fucking greenhouse. It's starting to get a little hot now. I can feel the sun beating on me. Did you enter gold cells? No. But Jason did.
I closed full at 14, man. I'm okay with that.
Good lad, good lad. Very, very nice.
Popped a fan yesterday, yeah, because I knew it was going to be too hot.
Did you? Yeah. Yeah, I had to cop one, like. I had to cop
Because
one.
like, it makes a noise, innit? That's quite jarring. Like,
Yeah.
so silent, like aircon silent, innit?
Do you know what I did last night, man? I filmed loads of videos for Instagram, so like I have like some buffer like content to post every day. And I started to edit it, and I realised the fucking fan was just blowing the whole time. So that was a waste. That was a
That
waste
noise
of like
is
an
so
hour and a
jarring.
half. Oh, I hate stuff like that. That's the one thing with like YouTube and like editing and stuff. Like sometimes you just like, for example, like I also yesterday started filming like what I wanted to talk about in an Instagram post, and I pressed on OBS. I pressed stop. I pressed start streaming instead of start recording. So I thought I was recording like a 20-minute long video, and I didn't even record it. So stuff like that is really annoying.
Yeah, like creating content like that can be jarring.
Yeah.
You hear that all the time when people just film.
Yeah, man, it's annoying.
You just got to go and do it all again.
Yeah.
Say all the same thing again, like you just won't have the same enthusiasm.
Yeah, I can fix the sound in videos, bro. Yeah, I tried to. I found a thing on Premiere Pro to get rid of the thing, but it didn't seem to just go on my thing, which is it's annoying. It wasn't that loud, but on Premiere Pro they have like the denoise thing, but it didn't seem to get it to work, which is a bit annoying. Oh, look at GJ. Brian, where are you eyeing up buys, brother? Just above, or are you looking to maybe getting a little earlier? Brian!
Probably already in.
I knew that was gonna
Honestly.
come.
This 5-minute candle is honestly probably already in.
How much is that?
He would have just.
I don't know, he would have
Yeah.
taken that.
Maybe this bullish one. Press 1 for GJ and I. Look at Brian.
Told ya. Told ya he was in.
I love that. GJ is
I
bank.
knew you were in, you
GJ
big
is
bold man.
big bold. GJ is bank holiday today.
That's sexy.
GJ is bank holiday in Asia, not now.
Brian, your golf balls.
Brian,
Leave
did you
me
get on
alone,
the,
boy.
did you get on the break of the
Leave me
high?
alone. Yeah, 5.
Mm.
Oh wow.
How much is your
Surprise,
stops?
surprise.
12 pips.
Surprise,
I told
surprise.
Jason he must send that gold signal this weekend. It was expensive.
Man,
Back.
to be honest, I was taking a dump, man, when I took that train.
YouTube doesn't even know that.
Was that the emergency?
You wanted me to now say it.
that Poiky wasn't sharp. Now you had to run to the toilet.
Sure, bro, it was fire, eh? Honestly. Yo, I praise myself every day.
That's good.
What the fuck was Jason's laugh? What is that laugh? Oh yeah, I can go in and set its levels manually. The automatic is wonky. Yeah, I thought that. Markets are moving. Are you? The markets are moving sideways right now. Not for Brian. Are you up like 6 pips, Brian?
Yeah.
You break even.
Oh, yeah,
Yeah,
he's
break
breaking.
even.
Give him the push.
I was looking at it, I just didn't like that closure. It's almost like a doji closure.
Jason's laugh sounds like the start of Gorilla's Feel Good. Feel good. There's your 10 nearly.
Oh, you fucking prick, Ryan.
Oh, he's close. Oh, he's not there yet. He's not there yet.
You gotta wait and see. You gotta wait and see.
You rejected this area hard the last time.
You should just at least get to 500. I mean, come on.
Yeah, man. Plus the daily should be bullish now.
50 likes, guys. Amazing work. Oh, before 8 o'clock, man. We're ready for 8 o'clock now. We'll see what the score is. Looking like EJ and GJ have rejected the lows, which is nice to see. There you go. Beautiful. Did you like this here, Brian? I saw this. These bottoms
for sure.
here.
Double bottom, yeah.
Yeah. That was
And
nice.
if you just look at the quarter points on the 15, how it was rejecting 250.
Yeah. Yeah.
So I mean, it just looks more and more and more, right? So then.
Did I show you?
Yeah.
I put there like a short clip of that Poiky there in the mentorship.
Let me check.
Easy work for a Monday morning.
Fuck, Jason, don't you think that coals are a bit hot?
No, listen, like I have a couple of calls now, but the fires basically, I stoke the fire every time. Man. So I don't have a lot of calls, but
Okay.
mostly fire. So every time I put on of these, what do you call it? These hoochies.
What?
The hoochies.
Oh yeah.
So every time, so as soon as the fire dies a bit down, then I will stack some more. And more. But I don't use coals.
Getting it stacked.
4 hours flipped on AJ.
Oh well.
This AJ looks nice.
Said it came out amazing.
Are you watching that, Finn? That DJ tray?
Now the daily's bullish.
Look at that.
Friend's
Yeah.
gonna
Yeah,
send the thing.
wasn't on
Press
the ball
one.
enough there, eh?
We're bullish now, boy.
Finn's gonna send a message. I press 1 for fuck you. Press 2 for
No.
roll.
I was getting some moisturizer on me while they were happening because I got a little sunburn today.
Oh.
It's different down at the coast, eh?
Oh fuck, the sun's brutal.
Oh, I didn't know that
Yo.
gingers do get burnt quick, like, don't they?
Oh fuck off.
Skin smells different.
The sun is a monster.
And it's not aftershave. It's after burn.
Okay, this 50-minute candle closing bullish is not too bad, to be honest with you.
Yeah.
Guys are
I was
late.
just gonna go.
Guys are late. There's this big boy now. Big boy's loading.
Big boys! How long left? Got 50 minutes left at 8 o'clock. Nice.
Brian is the balls of an ox, me, bro. I'm trying to
Skill
find
set,
ways.
boy.
No, I'm
Called
trying
skill
to
set.
how would I have gotten into this trade? That's what I asked myself now. And I didn't
I
have
think the
a
whole of
answer.
the gulag is asking the same question.
5 minutes to
Fresh
one,
off
man.
the gulag. Yeah, definitely. That bull candle. That
Check the QP, Jason, on 50
Yeah.
and then start
Yeah.
building.
I like the Q point there. That was pretty good. I like it. Me gusta. Me gusta. I like this EJ as well. This EJ looks good to continue. The only issue is the stop. So we'll see. We'll see if we can get lower wicks first.
EJ pushed bigger as well.
Yeah.
First candle.
Yeah, boy.
I wouldn't be surprised if Brian got onto
This exact position you've taken, Brian. We looked at took something really similar on Friday.
Yeah. Did you enter on
was just a
5?
little
Did you see what was the
It
confidence
was
on 5?
cleaner on the Friday.
Okay, good.
You know, it wasn't just shit price.
Okay, cool. But you entered on 5.
Yeah.
And you see
Yeah, I
that
showed you the entry.
yes, you did. I just had a bit of a long weekend, so I just did like refresh.
Yeah.
I also took that buy on Friday. Oh, it was nice. The buys were nice. Sales were good, but the buys.
It happened so
Those buys-
fast.
Those buys were solid.
Yeah.
Solid. Did you change your trading style? No, my man. No, my man. So the people are getting confused what Brian's doing there. Brian trades the 5 minute as well, so he just likes getting in at lower points with confluences. Normally it goes. What I've seen is that if I had to draw what Brian normally gets into before us is, so price comes down again, price closes very strongly bullish, waits for a lower wick, and then pew. So that one here is like there. And then it helps more confluence because there's a quarter point. There's also flipping the 4 hour right there. So there's a lot of things to get in there, which is good. I'm just so the one thing that I always tell people, especially like this, right, is I'm watching because I obviously, can you see here that Finn also said, oh, I think Brian's in now. The good thing about this is that Finn and others over here are starting to see how he gets in, right, and they're starting to notice, right, okay, he's after this double bottom over here rejecting the lows, he's going to get in on the break at the highs here.
I know
And as yeah, that's good. So then, yeah, exactly. But as time goes on and you see it happen so many times, you're going to feel confident in doing it. So it's good to see it.
A big thing for him is when you have that 5 minute candle that breaks the lows.
Yeah.
And grabs the liquidity that, I don't know, I could be wrong, but I feel like that's something he looks at a lot when it kind of breaks lows, comes back up and closes above what was kind of either, I don't know, that range or something.
Decline,
and then,
yeah.
as
See,
a
some
break.
guys
So
that do trade this like smart money concept stuff, they will see that as liquidity. That swept it. It's the same thing, right? What Scott's saying. You know what I mean? But then I've got the QP, I've got the 4H, I've got the engulfing. So it's just added. We're still actually in a dangerous area in this Asian range, right? We haven't touched highs or lows of it yet.
Yeah. Exactly. But yeah, I think a lot. It's funny though because a lot of people would be like, "Oh man, I want to get in that with Brian." And fuck, but actually, if you just listen to it and you see it happen again and again, which is what I'm doing, you are just gonna execute eventually. So it's just good to see it happen, especially with the buys as well, Brian. Because I fucking hate buys, especially when you take to these highs. So getting in a lot earlier there is nice for sure.
If you can get in low on the buys, fine, and it pushes quick. Sells are easy. We can get in sells like generally in a lot of places, but the buys you've got to get in low. Otherwise, you're gonna stress.
Yeah. So these EJ buys should potentially come up over here. Just flip the daily. My only issue is the stops at like 22 pips. You could use current candle, but it already broke the highs before and then it came back. So yeah, looking good though with rejecting. It's getting hot now, boy. Yeah, I can feel it. I can feel it. I can feel it. Okay, so we've got some chart work over here. Beautiful. Buys above 164590. Try to match 2 to 3 time frames at the same time to execute a good trade. To wait for London also. Beautiful. Yeah, that's a good idea. Yeah. Definitely keeping it with like maybe using a 30-minute and an hourly together. Sells below 164,100. Same as buys for confirmations. Yeah, I think my only issue with the sells there is that these wick areas there are just gonna be a little bit scary. I think I'd want it a little lower. I think I'd want it below 850. Do I have that at 850? Yeah. Oh no, I have it at 100. Yeah. So look at the hourly. Yeah, I do have it there as well. Yeah, not too bad. Oh, look at EJ. What a rocket. Helicopter. So after it reflipped again, do you get your 10 pips? Yeah. Oh, just about. Beautiful. Gold is sells today. Let's take a look at Goldie. So yeah, Goldie's still respecting that trend line. Can you see another touch? Oh, that's nice. So yeah, definitely closures below those areas are going to take some sells for sure. And yeah, we're ready to go.
Yeah, that buy was clean at the bottom there.
Yeah. It's good, man. You're going to be not too long until you start executing them. I've been eyeing them up for every single time that Brian takes one. I actually screenshot it after and I put it in a little document.
Yeah,
I take photos of them as well.
A little Brian journal.
Little Brian journal, 5-minute Brian journal for the buys. 5 minutes.
Yeah, I text him actually a lot, don't I, Brian? And say, you're in right now, aren't you?
So fucking over it. It's okay.
Prick.
Look at EJ. Oh, back in that crappy zone. Yeah, we'll see. But this is looking good to continue. This runner as well, Brian. You're gonna be good.
Yeah, should be.
Yeah.
Just keep watching it, Finn.
Yeah.
Target 165. There we go.
And you should move to South Africa, man.
Brian sends out free signals. I'll put his Instagram and YouTube. You can all DM him.
I'll put the link. I'll put the link in YouTube, guys, for Brian's signals.
Yeah, it's a dangerous game to play with me. Boy. I've lost mates over games like this.
Like, I won't be able to handle a fucking signal group, no way.
Scott, I'll put your house on the market, boy.
I can do a signals thing, Jason. Oh my god. Could you not? Would you be too stressed, Jace?
No, not just too stressed. Like, the fact that, like, I can't execute and let you know. I can let you know which area I'm looking at. You need to pull that trigger, you know, because if I pull it, I'm in.
Yeah. You're just a pussy, I think, Jason. Nah, when I came back from holiday and I was speaking to Sash and Brian, I could tell they were weathered. Like they were like, I need to relax now.
Yeah, 100%.
Don't know what they were weathered from.
I know. I literally went through your chart in that fucking week. Absolute godsend. Fucking delicious.
Yeah, we're just stressed trying to help Finn pass this fucking challenge.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, and also, you know, like there were occasions where price didn't move too well, and you had to like manage risk. So it's not easy to call a trade, manage risk, or take a L, or let it run. Like, it's not easy to call that, man. Like, and
yeah,
I don't
but to
think
do
a
it
lot.
as a group that we all win together. That's the thing.
Yes.
The problem is we're also going to lose together. That's
Yeah.
That's the harder part.
For sure,
Oh,
but,
yes.
Like there was this one occasion we like the guys were too scared to get in earlier. I got in, they got in on the low. Then the risk managed on that trade. To the team.
Yeah, it was nice.
It was insane.
I know, I remember seeing that one. It's gorgeous. Do I still get on my thing the likes coming up? Let's take a look. I have no idea. So, yeah, we're still just waiting patiently over here. We've got 5 minutes left for 8 o'clock. 5 minutes left. So, Tommy boy, you get in on EJ on the re-break of the high? Yes. Because I know it broke it here, and then it continued down, and then it started to push again.
This hour.
Scott, is that true?
Is that what was that? Yeah, right. Okay.
I was saying, oh yeah, people in YouTube. I was also saying, right? So we've got software effects. We've got like a free link so everyone can download it. So basically, now what I'm gonna do is through simulation sessions. I'm actually gonna pick a couple people every time. And we'll start it like next week, but I'm gonna pick people to go through a day each, and they trade it because it's thrown you in the deep end a little bit. I'll go back testing with the whole group, but it makes you better, right? If you can teach it instead of just listening, it's so much better, right? So that's gonna be fun to do together. Gonna like that. I love that. That's fucking. That's some beefy ass. Did someone say free software effects? Yeah, man. But because you're on YouTube, you gotta give me the money. I'm joking.
Because you hit the gulag.
You figure it's worth getting the paid version? Well, I bought the paid version, and it's still worth it. Yeah, but if you can get it for free, I mean, I don't know why. know why you wouldn't.
The gulag is already getting the streams for free, man. Why do they still want the software?
Well, if you join the mentorship, the first thing you can get is download that software effects, which is pretty good. So that's worth fucking 80 quid in itself. You could literally join the mentorship, not even look at anything in it, and don't even talk to us for the whole month, and still make 30 quid that you would for buying software effects. Go on, GJ boy.
Buys now this hourly. If I look at the hourly, we close above, then 750 as a target.
Yeah, I don't know if it's gonna get there in time. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see if we can get there in time. Oh my god, my mum, man. My mum is everything she does is just hilarious. She goes to me today. She goes, Max. She goes, if you plan on getting in the car, make sure to take water. No shit, mum. She'll say stuff thinking like she'll say stuff. I think is this what all mums do? But I just think my mum is over the top. She'll just say stuff which is just like I don't want to live. She'd be like, Max, if you're on the balcony, be careful on the balcony. Try not to jump off it or slip off it. No shit, mum. Like, I don't really want to jump off the balcony. Thank you very much. Like, you know what I mean?
Taking a wild trade.
Yeah, I have to take a shit ass trade. But she'll say stuff and it's like, well, yeah, mum, I kind of want to live, so that's okay. Like, I don't want to do that anyway.
Maybe. Hello?
Hello.
Hey.
Hello, brother.
I'm new to the mentorship.
Hello, my man. Welcome. Yeah, we've got a lot of new people here today. We've got, for people who are new, just wanted to go through this again. If you've signed up today, I'll add you to the G drive after this stream. So yeah, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
Yeah, I was the guy in the comments that was saying, I'm just trading alone, so I'm bored. So
Nice. Oh, you'll have some fun, I'm telling you. Especially NY. Oh, this is 8 o'clock. Oh, shit. Oh, my God.
I actually see it coming down.
No top wick.
No top wick, though. Oh, 15 pip stop. Ah, it's right next to that res, though, man.
I'm actually looking at. It's a retest. You see the retest? The 5.
For reflips over here, I mean, 600 stop is 14 pips. See you later, honey. Bye. Love you. Right.
You cutie. Bye.
Bye.
That's the retest. That's the retest.
Got the retest on gold.
Let's take a look at the 30-minute. 30-minute close bullish. We'll have to see, man. If this breaks the high, I mean, interesting. What it looks like it's going to do now. Stop loss would be right next to that res. It's a little bit scary. Maybe the next 15 minutes. The hourly did close bullish above. The hourly did close bullish above. It's mad how this pulled down over here.
Yeah.
I can go to the Asian highs. That's 12 pips. With a 15 pip stop. I think EJ looks cleaner, to be honest with you. How much would you stop in the break of the high? 12 pips.
EJ's right on the daily flip. Oh, fuck. Well, it is for me.
Yeah. Okay, GJ's broken the highs over here. See if it can continue, but I'm going to wait a little bit higher, I think, for me personally. I'm going to wait a little higher up. Wait for the breaks on the resistance. That's mother love. That's mother love. That your mum's funny. Yeah. Sometimes I get home and my mum will say, "Oh, you got home." Nah, my mum is a worrying mum. She has critical OCD and anxiety. Bless her. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Looking like it's struggling, and you know, when I see this, I'm just gonna wait, be patient, a little bit higher up. Yeah, boy.
I like took an impulsive trade over there. Yeah.
What?
I said I took an impulsive trade.
Where?
5. So if you got on the 5. Yeah, so just there's my annotation. I literally took a retest of that. My entry was 164. 487. And my stop loss was like 9 pips, 400.
487. Oh my god.
Yeah, so my stop was like at the flip, stop loss at the daily flip area. I just had it below the daily flip area due to Finn's theory that if we do test the daily flip, we shoot. That usually happens. So I had it just below, so it was like 9 point something pips. But I got like 11 and I closed.
Nice.
So very impulsive, but it's just something that I'm also like. To be honest with you, if you look on the 5, I do see it coming down to this area over here. Sorry, yeah. I was anticipating it coming because I see the left shoulder, head, right shoulder. So, but also I'm looking at the current break of structure.
Yeah, I mean, if it breaks this high now, I think we should be good to continue.
You can just delete that. Man.
Yeah, it's okay. So look at the hourly time frame. EJ looks good. 10 minutes left of this candle. Stops will be 14 pips. 624. Ah, fuck it. I might try and get in on this break at the high, if I'm honest. Should I wait? How long left? We've got 10 minutes left. Let's take a look at the 15 again. It's a nice retest in the 30 as well. Yeah, I think I'm gonna take this one. So it'll be on the 624. 624 would be the entry. So I've got it placed, guys. So yeah, 164. One second, it's GJ. Beautiful. I just think now if we can respect this area, especially in the 30-minute time frame, flip and continue, we should be good. So
Wrong pair again, Max. You put EJ.
Nah, I've done it. I fixed it now, I think.
How have you fixed it? Sweet.
Yeah. Yeah, boy. So yeah. So we'll see. I think with the London volume though, especially with this hourly closing bullish, we should be good. Pip stop. Do do do. Hi, like done. Oh, thank you very much. Do 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 do. So, it's been entered in over here. Stop loss below. Do 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 do. So, let's take a look at the TP2.
Yeah, I mean.
Yeah, boy. Let me just get rid of this. Oh, shit. So, yeah. Okay, so coming towards these highs over here now, around about 5 pips in profit. I'm gonna go to break even right now, guys. 1 second, I'll give it a little bit more. Yeah, I'm going break even now, guys.
Jeez, I went in on an EJ and it just popped. Popped quite
Really?
nicely.
So stop loss to break even, guys. So I have actually just hit break even over here. Nearly. 1 second. Not yet, 1 second, it's nearly there. So stop loss to break even now, guys. If it comes to my entry, I'm happy with that because the fact why we're coming towards this left hand side. I want this to run. If it doesn't run, that's fine. But we should be good now. Ooh, looking nice over here. Ooh, sheesh! TP1 hit over here, squad. Very, very nice. Beautiful, beautiful work. TP1 hit. We should be continuing bullish over here.
Let's go, Asian eyes.
Let's go, boy. Oh shit, TP2 hit over here now. Fuck. Very, very nice.
Man, why did I close?
What a stinker.
What a stinker. Woo!
Beautiful move.
Hoo, hoo, hoo.
Fucking hell, I'm gonna have to move my TP up.
Yeah,
Moving too quickly.
Wow, that's fucking beautiful. I pressed my stop loss to entry on my magic keys. I thought it hit out and then it fucking ripped. Beautiful. Beautiful.
What beautiful trade, lads. Come on.
Easy work with the gang over here. Smash TP2 in the first like 5 minutes of this trade. Easy work.
Come
Good
down
dubs,
so
man.
many times.
Sheesh.
Effort, bro.
The volume was there. It's lovely.
Yeah, that was nice. That.
Yeah, man.
Because it was fucking around, tapping, and when it was flipping, you just knew it was gonna go.
Yeah.
Last off.
Exactly, man. Whole lot of gang shit. Very, very nice. Beautiful. And there we go. So, there we go. Aggressive Maxi's back in town. I fucking knew, right? I knew I had to take this trade, man. If I miss another one of these trades, I can't, man. I gotta take it. But what was my risk management, right? What was my risk management? When we come to these highs over here, right around here when I'm up 6-7 pips, man, I gotta put it to break even because we could reject, right? I want the volume to push like we got it, and we gotta relax, okay? Ah, Connor boy. It's okay, brother. Don't worry about it. Very, very nice. Yeah, it got close, but it didn't hit for sure. Very, very nice.
Yeah, I took this to it half over it.
Yeah, Max, if you went B when you
Nice.
said you did, you would
Well,
have
no,
for sure.
No, I didn't. That's the thing. I put it in the chat and then I put break even. So that's like a 2-second delay. I got it, bro. Don't worry about it.
I was gonna say because it went way through your price for a second there.
I put it when he said break even, and I didn't get tapped out.
Yeah, exactly.
What was your entry, Finn or Scott, whoever it is?
It's Finn.
Nah, no, I didn't.
How do you not know the difference, man?
I don't know. I bottled it then. I couldn't tell. I was like, oh, fuck it, I'll just say both. It's Finn, isn't it? It's Finn.
Yeah, it's funny, boy.
I knew it was. It's just testing him. It's just testing him.
1 second. So I've closed 95%. I'm just leaving a little tiny run until 165, which is here. Yeah, boy. Make sure you like the stream, guys. If you did catch that amazing work. If you guys got stopped out of that break even, that's fine, man. You gave it the risk. You gave it the push. Let's look at the 1 minute. And then we ran, boy. Yeah, so I think I said put break even here. This may have tapped someone out there, and then I put my break even when this started pushing like there, like 2 seconds after that. So it's very minuscule. For most part, it doesn't really matter, but obviously in this case it would have for some. So yeah, it should come to 165. So yeah, beautiful, man. So let me just add this on to the trades called. How's your runner doing, Bri?
Stinking. 40 pips. Wait.
So this is what I've been working on, right? Especially for me, I've been way too reserved, especially in these markets. I know that we've got a lot of volume, right? So in that worst case scenario, how much drawdown did I take at the start? Like fucking, I took like, I don't know, like 3 pips drawdown. So if price starts to push down in this area, I can just close at like -6 pips, -5 pips, and I just took a 20 pip trade. So like, you know, if you wanted to hold on 20 pips as well, you got it pretty much the second after. So if you just took, let's just say you took 15 pips out of that, you've got 3 now. You got 3 5-pip losers to break even. And obviously, when you've got the volume, you've got 8 o'clock volume, you've rejected the lows. The reason why I liked it was this. The 30-minute came and tapped the previous resistance, and then flipped.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Jason.
Exactly, boy. Well, no, not fucking thank you, Jason. You said GJ sells.
No, I didn't. I said I got it on the retest.
Oh, that's why you said GJ sells. I thought you said GJ sells. Maybe you're saying gold sells. I was like, what the fuck?
It's gold sells.
Nice, man.
I still said my entry was 164,487. You can rewind the stream. Listen to what I said.
Traded that half risk because of stops. Yeah, man. So the stops there were 15 pips. I know, but for me now, it's if I'm being aggressive in my trades like this, which I'm going to be right now because I need to take more trades, right? And you know they work out pretty much, you know, very very high amount of time. When we get into drawdown, I'm a close, right? So it's similar to what Brian does. Like, so if this candle came up here, didn't put a break even, just came down and rejected like there, sorry, and pushed down to there, I'm just gonna close. So we're probably gonna be taking more losses, but they're gonna be less 13, 12 pip losses. They're gonna be more 5 pips, 6 pips, and they're gonna be, you know, just because we didn't get the push. You can see over here we got the push and we just ran. So someone to explain to me why my TP2 was there. Someone explain to me why my TP2 was there, either in Zoom or on YouTube.
It's a 1 hour zone. Yeah.
Exactly, right? First resistance here in the 50 minutes there. It's also the hourly resistance. Exactly. Yeah. 800 level. It's not because it's an 800 level Asian boy. It's because the left hand side, the resistance. His name on YouTube is Asian Boy, by the way, just in case you think I'm being fucking racist. Yeah, that's the resistance. So that's where price could have a struggle. And you can see over here, it looks like it may be having a little bit of a struggle, right? But where's the next zone if you break above it? Well, it's 165, right? Very, very simple. 73 likes, guys. Make sure to like up the stream if you guys took that trade. Pretty simple, pretty self-explanatory. Pushed nicely. We got a stanker.
Guys, I'm off to bed. See you guys. Asian.
Asian?
Fuck man, I'm working later, so I can't make New York. I'll see. 2 nice trades this morning, so
yeah.
Restrictions for the day. I actually risked in such a way so that I can miss NY and yeah, plan worked out to the T.
Yeah, beautiful, man. AJ, oof. EJ was nice as well. You want to take EJ? Shit.
I got an EU, not EJ.
Oh, nah, EU. Let's take a look at EU.
If you look at the Telegram, it was the entry and everything that I showed.
Oh, nice, man.
I got 23 restored.
Oof. Fucking hell, wow. The 15.
See, it's difficult for me to understand your strategies because I see price very differently. I've always been order block, SMC, like that type of trader.
Yeah, yeah. No, it's nice to see. It's refreshing. To be honest with you, this is, especially those wicks as well. Especially nice double bottom there on the 15 is nice. We like taking them as well. Beautiful, man. That was tasty.
So you see that double bottom? I see that as liquidity. So it took out liquidity pushing through that double bottom, and then it tapped into an order block, and then I took the buy after an M1 breakout structure.
Yeah.
So it's really difficult for me to understand your strategies because I see it very differently.
Yeah, it's funny, isn't it? I love that though. I love how it can be so different.
That's actually, I can actually see, just open the chart of Max. It's actually nice.
Yeah, that's nice. I can see the reason.
I can see what's happening.
Yeah,
so you see there we have the pound symbol. So that's basically where it's trapping
liquidity.
Sellers. Yeah, so it's trapping. You thinking, we selling and whoop, taps into your order block and
yeah, just takes out the liquidity order block into BAM. Let's go. Looks
there
good.
We go. Yeah, so, and it's the Asian sweep as well with the low.
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah.
100%. Very nice.
Very, very nice.
But another still running.
Very, very nice. I like it. So yeah, we'll see. You've got a little tiny bit wrong, but not much off. I've taken a lot off there. That was nice, man. That pushed straight from 10 pips to 20. So same thing again at London Open, man. When you get the drive, you can easily get your 15, 20 pips as long as the zone's nice, right? But always think of it in terms of probability, right? If we're breaking these highs, you know, we should come to 800, and that's exactly what we did. This is the zone, really, right? Obviously, this is the Asian high, but we do have London volume. So easily, you could have held us on to TP2 pretty easily. But that just comes with how much you want to take off, right? Very nice. So would that be classed as an impulse entry? Yep, for sure. But for me personally, what I've been working on. So I feel like people forget as well, right? So like obviously I do all this work and stuff, but when I'm like by myself and just thinking, I am looking at what I could do better, right? And obviously recently I haven't taken many trades. Obviously, you know, I've been on holiday for this one, but over the past like month or so, I haven't been taking too many trades. I've been a little bit cautious, a little bit risk averse. And the issue I'm having is that for London, you can't be like that. London has the volume. So, you know, getting into impulsive trades like this work out a very, very high amount of time as long as you've got a nice stop and you've got the volume with you and you've got the direction. So for me there personally, if I was back like, you know, 15, 30, sorry, if I was back there like 10, 15 days ago, I wouldn't be taking that trade. I'd be waiting for a closure above here. And then I've just missed the whole move. And now I may try and take a buy here now and it's too late, right? So I think just seeing it again and again, I just got to be more aggressive. However, through NY session, I would not be doing this. Would you agree, Brian? I would not be doing this, man. There's not enough. NY session is very much
Not
closure.
NYSC maybe.
Yeah. But for the most part, after London session, it's more closures, top wicks. It's a lot easier. It's a lot, you know, it's a lot slower, I'd say, as well, on GJ. Which is what my strategy works better at. But, you know, for the most part, if you get your nice, the reason why I liked it as well, 15 obviously was the scariest time frame to look at. Why? Because there's resistance right there. However, the 30-minute and the hourly looked better, right? Look at the 30. 30 closed above minor resistance there. There's a little one there as well, I suppose. Look at the hourly. The hourly closed solidly above. So, yeah. So, yeah. Goal rejected and pushed up. Let's take a look. Oh, shit, it did. Oh, those lower wicks are a bit annoying. If you're putting your stops in the 5 minutes, you'd have a little bit of trouble there. Look at the 15. Could be nice to continue bullish over here if it closes above in 8 minutes time. So let's take a look. Did anyone else take EJ? Because EJ was pretty similar and the stops were actually much nicer, right? Break of the high here, stop loss below. 13 pips. Oh, that was a stanker. God, EJ, it's just a nice. You gonna get aggressive for London Open now? Yep, I've got to, man. EJ was a lovely 4-hour wick. Let's take a look. Yeah, man. That was nice. Beautiful. Oh, look at Goldie. Oh, shit. Very, very nice. You just have to trust London volume. Yeah. You know, and if you don't get the London push that you didn't want, so for example, if we started struggling there, then you could just hit break even, which some people did, or you can get out at minus 2-3 pips, and you're good. You know what I mean? If you get 1, 12, 30, like there, really, you could close at like, you know, 15 pips. You can literally have like 5 losing trades now if you just close at minus 3 pips if you don't get the breaks. Let me just move this on over here. 79 likes, guys. Make sure to like the stream up even more. We got to get them likes going, boy. I got to update the copy as well. So I put in Brian and Sashin's trades here as well, which is amazing. Oh shit. I didn't put in how much they made from it because I couldn't really see, but you know, all of them would have been 10 pips at least. I think some of them were 20 and 30 to be honest, but yeah. We'll just update this now. 18th. This is a it's a breakout on the 30s. Is it like 12? I haven't closed full yet, but I pretty much have. I've already got like 95% left, so it won't make much difference. So I closed at like 20 pips. Okay. So for people new on the stream here, I am working out my actual gain. So 13.6. Okay, so that's like round up. It doesn't let me put. So I'll just go 14. And then when I put my stats on, so if I do this, yeah. I drag this down. This is my percentage gain. Bosh. So that's been since the holiday. You see my losing trades are smaller than my winning trades. And that's all you got to do, right? So yeah, 4% for the time I've been here. Okay, beautiful. So put yourself in the face of someone. I took. So yeah, we'll see how far we can push over here. But that is basically the move done. AJ, did AJ get a 15 closure above? Oh, it did. How much was the stops and the break at the high? Oh, quite big. 17 pips and AJ's. Oof. It's quite big. London Open wick took me out break even, but I was on the phone, didn't re-enter. Yeah, it was quite an aggressive lower wick. Wasn't it? Yeah, it's quite a big runner. What are the stats regarding runners? If you close full on every trade, would you be in more profit or less? Yeah, it's quite a good question, to be honest with you. I think I want a full month of doing that properly, like working these out, and then we can see. Because last month we didn't have many retest trades, so yeah, we'll see. But for the most part, you know, I think closing like 50% and leaving the 50 runner, that would be not advantageous, but like 80 is okay for sure.
I think it's good to just see the pips going up, isn't it? For when you start to get a bit more confident holding these moves for a bit longer.
Yeah, and seeing which ones actually stayed and which ones don't, and then looking back and why did it keep on continuing. Yeah,
exactly.
Yeah, exactly. Max, I saw that your trades are pre-New York or New York. I guess it is because London usually is impulsive. I'm surprised we got that bottom wick first. Yeah, I know. That's the first bottom wick on the hourly time frame I've seen in fucking donkey's years. So yeah, exactly. But that's what I'm saying. So like London session, I'm gonna be more aggressive because I can be, right? I can be. So that's what I'm gonna do. Let's take a look over here. Gold closing above the high. Let's take a look. Yeah. Looks nice, man. I mean, is Jason here? Or is Jace gone?
I think he's gone.
Yeah. So, let's take a look at the left-hand side. We've got a little bit of support here. Is where I'd probably see 1723. Yeah, I mean, if this candle comes and retests 1717, you're getting a buy with stop loss below. That's probably the most reasonable. 27 pips. If you guys have any more questions, make sure to go and ask them in the YouTube chat, man. That's what we're here for. Also, people in the Zoom, we are doing simulation session at 10 o'clock. So now we're gonna be going ham with the simulations, right? We're gonna be going ham because basically what I want over here is to fill. Oh, 1 second. Ah, fuck's sake, drive. I want to fill all of these simulations up. Okay, so I've got a mixture of like different ones, but I'm just gonna go from start to finish, like this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, because you can see over here. Like, let's take a look here. I've got none there. November, I've got loads on. None in October. I'll probably have some in September that I need to upload. December, January, I've got all of them. So yeah, we've got to fill these missing gaps, and we only can really do that keeping up with the time by you know, blasting through them every week. So yeah, we're gonna do that. So they're all filled up. And yeah, as I said, 2 webinars coming this week. Very, very nice. People who have joined as well for that for that 1 to 2 hour webinar, that'll happen next week. Yes, sir. Look at the 5 minute. Looking like we may get an extra push over here. Come on, come to 165, boy. TP3. Pushing P. Pushing P. 30-minute wick fill. What's this on? Looking like goalie's not closing the nicest. Just retap the zone. Interesting. Yeah. Let's take a look at more Discord charts. Look, monthly gonna flip by the end of July. What's on gold or GJ? You mean GJ probably? Yeah, I think it's gonna be quite soon actually. Because then this monthly is gonna fill this wick. Yeah, I think we could be quite good for buys sooner or later. Yeah. So I think the best entry today was definitely Brian's. Wow. Well done, Mr. Brian. You're 50 pips. How did you Brian, my only thing to you here is you got in there early, right? You got in there at a very, very safe part. What makes you not take any position? What makes you hold it on a little longer? What makes you hold, like, what are the reasons for? I mean, obviously this carry actually nearly wicked you out, which is probably a reason why you wouldn't want to. You have 3 pips. Fitting ranges, yeah. But that's something to look out for, isn't it? I think that's what we've been talking about for quite a long time. Because if you're getting in down there, I mean, and we're flipping the higher time frames, we're pushing up, man. That 50 pips, it could be a nice 7% for the day.
Did he hold full, Brian?
No, Brian never holds full. That's what I'm saying. He close positions there, and obviously he's got runners, etc. But it's getting to that next thing of like, because that for me, if I start taking them trades, it's an area where I can hold on much more because it's such a nicer area.
It's a Raja trade, isn't it? He'd be holding that full.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh yes. Brian X just stopped working. How about guys done for London? Nice. Looks like a lot of people had some dubs this morning, right? Which is great news. Great news to carry on to next session, which would be good. Oh mate, have you seen? I watched a little podcast last night about the Island Boys. Oh my god. Yeah, them fucking guys.
Skin that one.
Yeah, they're skin. They got no money. Oh my god. They should have listened to George on the Impulsive podcast. Fucking idiots. That's great.
Max, is that on that no jumper thing? Sorry.
Yeah, the no jump one. That podcast is mad. Max mentioned your new YouTube video. Oh yeah, that's a good idea actually. Yeah, make sure to go look at the new YouTube video. It's just me recapping two trades that we took last week. Wow, 800 views, holy shit. Yeah, recapping the trades that I took, one of the trades that I took last week, and how I managed risk for it, and then I took another trade after. Oh shit. Where's the fucking share button? Oh, 1 second, I'll just go on the video. And then how I managed the first trade, and then took a second trade, and yeah, how I actually was profitable for the day by quite a large margin, right? Where's the fucking share button? There we go. So I'm going to check some new gyms in the area. In Leeds, I'm going to Bannontine's. I'm going to see how it looks. It's got a pool and shit. It's got a jacuzzi, sauna. So hopefully I'm going to enjoy it.
Hey Max, do you ever trail your stop loss?
Yeah. I give it, to be honest with you, I give it like 30 minutes first, but then after that, then yeah, for sure, because you can see that a lot of the times if you just trail it below the 30-minute candles, it normally pushes quite nice. Yeah. Yeah, for sure. So like here now, I mean, what you could potentially do now is trail your stop loss. I'd probably put it there, to be honest.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Some controller effects, he doesn't tend to trade it. Like it's either break even or whatever.
Yeah. Yeah. He doesn't. Yeah, I mean, yeah. To be honest with you, though, either it's funny with the controller. Yeah, it either hits his break even or it goes straight to the zone.
Exactly.
You know what I mean? So he doesn't really need to trail it. Think about it. Yeah.
And he uses like 1 hour candles and stuff. So it's huge.
Yeah. I tell you, I've seen it before. Don's way. So I trade because I can read the charts because Don you know is very, very similar to me in terms of chart works. Like he looks at the higher time frames where price is gonna go. Obviously I enter on the lower, but on holiday his you know strategy is so nice, man. Because you just check every half hour, right? Just check every half hour if it's closed above or below, and then if it hasn't, then you wait another half hour. So like, bro, I'm sitting there with a cocktail in my hand, vibing. Right, has gold closed below, above yet? Nope, hasn't. Right, another half an hour, another half an hour, another half hour, and then it does. You go, great. Wait for a top wick, wait for breaking the current low, and there's your 10 pips. It was very nice on holiday taking them. It was very simple.
True, I agree. Also, another thing I like what you did was retest entries.
Yeah.
Because it lines up with order blocks very well. So where you see a retracement, there tends to be like a low time frame order block that it taps into and then continues up.
Yeah, man. Well, shout out to Brian and Sashin who brought them in. There's two
I like that.
Yeah, they introduced that to me, and it's good for runners, man, because your entry's so far down. You know, normally the reason why you get a break-even trade for this, for like the flips and stuff, is because it comes back and retests.
Exactly.
Whereas if you're getting in like there, you know, I mean, this was a nice read. That's what the 30-minute was. So like, let's take a look over here. So like, this 30-minute pushed all the way down, retested this previous resistance there, stop loss below. When you reflip the candle here and get you get your push there, 25 pips. The probability that you get stopped out now is very low, so your runner can be pretty safe. Whereas if you get in there, it can come and retest. Yeah. Very nice. Took 50 pips on gold. Nice. Did we continue? Okay, so the 50-minute closed bullish above, made a low wick, pretty much tapped the resistance. Nice. That's probably the entry that you would have looked for. I think for me personally on gold, I like looking at the 5-minute, the way the 5-minute trend lines are working through London, but I don't really like taking the closures above and below. I just feel like sometimes it loses volume. It only works nice in NY for me personally. Yeah. Hey, anyone know which account type, raw or standard, should I pick on Blueberry in order to have not commissions on gold? Oh, is it standard? Is it standard? I don't think Don would be wanting to use standard. Are you sure it's standard? Don's spreads seem very, very tight for standard. It's a raw account. Daniel has, so someone in chat, Daniel has Blueberry. It's raw account. I have no commission. Danielle, have you got yours? Have you got your payback effects on as well? Because you get some money back on GJ as well. Yeah, guys, if you're part of IC markets or any of the ones, payback effects, man, you gotta look for it, man. It's good shit. I'm getting money back for literally nothing. It's great. Check it out. You just link your broker, and they give you some dollar. Nice, man. Yeah, looking like Goldie's. Goldie came and retested the highs in this 15. That's where you should be taking some positions off, for sure, and seeing if a runner can continue. Right, let's take a look at Discord. Right, as I said, I'm analyzing charts this week, and whoever gives me the best chart is going to win some magic keys. Okay, so this is Euro JPY, buys above, sells below. Okay. Oh, this is the trade that we all took, I think. Price closed below during NY, waited for a top wick, then absolutely butchered the flip. Caught out 15 pipperoonies. Nice. That's exactly the trade we took with the group. That was tasty, right? Nice retest as well on the 5 we saw. Beautiful. Flip, continue down. Tasty. Very, very simple. Look at that. Yeah, the sells closure below. His buys. You get the sell closure below, and then there you go. Bob's your uncle. Always try. I always say this, right? Instead of just guessing of what you want to see, just picture what you want to see, right? Picture what you want to see, and then when it comes to fruition, you have no stutter, you have no kind of worry in the trade you want to take. It's just right there. You've already planned it. You know exactly what to do. And Bob's your uncle. This is very good for NY session. For London, you got to be a bit more on your feet, as we found out today, right? So yeah, looking like we're getting some rejection now. Why are we getting some rejection now? Well, the hourly came pretty close, and it's still big resistance, right? But hopefully later on we can continue. So what would I wait for later on? I'd probably wait for some retracement, right? Retracement, and then some support to form. That would be pretty good, I think. Oh, mate, I'm already fucking sweating a little bit over here. Let me get some deodorant on. I can feel it coming. The heat wave. No. Tell you what's helping though, this fan blowing on my feet, because you know you keep your heat in with your feet in your head, isn't it? So I'm stinking up. Max, would you call it a day for yourself after this win, or you watch pre-NY, NY? Nah, I'm not calling it a day. I'll be still absolutely going balls deep in NY for sure. I'm sick of that motto. Raja doesn't even keep to it himself, so why the fuck should I? He only taught this, like the 2 trades a day or 1 trade a day, for people who can't, for people who are really asset trading, who can't, you know, what's it called? Don't have any discipline, right? They don't have any discipline and they over risk and over trade, right? That's good for people like that, but I don't do that, so what's the point? If a setup comes, I'm going to take it. Even if it's the 3rd setup, the 4th setup, I couldn't care less. Okay? The only parameter I have is that if I take 2 losses in a day, I'm done for the day. Yeah, boy. Tommy, don't worry about it, my man. You've taken fucking way too many trades in the past 3 months. You don't. That one little miss is not gonna go far. Yeah, man. I could tell. I thought I was gonna get a breakout until I put the break-even signal out, and some people may have got tapped out then, and then obviously I put mine on after that. So yeah. Did you take any trades today, bro? Can you read the stream? Trades called. To be fair, it isn't actually trades call, isn't it? I should say trades taken, because I did kind of, yeah. Let's take this off. Taken. That may confuse you less. Trades taken. When was the last time we got 2 losses in a day? I have no idea. Let's take a look, right? Nope. Here. On the 4th of April. So you can see not a lot, right? Because normally when I take my first loss, bro, the second trade has to be a banger, right? It has to be, you know, amazing, and if it's in the same day, right? So yeah. So 4th of April. I love that there. I like that. Look at that win streak after. Phew. After those little losses. Nice. So yeah. Very nice. Can you send the link for the Google Sheets? Okay. How do I do this? So yeah, these trades here, I haven't put the percentage gain on there because I wasn't there and they're not my trades, but I just want to show you what the group's been doing, right? They took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 wins, 6 wins and 1 loss. How nice is that? Right, yeah. How does payback effects work? I have no idea, but all it does is gives you money back. It's great. Max, how much percentage are you up from this year? Well, it's relative because it's compounded, right? Changed lot sizes and stuff. Yeah, but it'll be a big amount right now. It'd be rather nice. Okay, 15's closed bearish. I'm just gonna close the rest of my runner over here, guys. Very likely we're gonna continue down, so I've closed the rest of runner. Can you send the link, bro? Oh yeah, sorry. Share. There you go. There you go. There you go. Max, do you have a spare journaling template which you can offer? Do you charge? No, it's Control FX's. So, if you go on his website, you can download it. Yeah. See you later, Craigie boy. Oh yeah. I was thinking, right. So I think Don's starting to branch out, right. So Don's starting to do other things than just trading. He's starting to stream and stuff, and I'm not gonna lie, me streaming would be hilarious, man. I get fucking pissed off so easily. If I'm playing like FIFA or I'm playing any type of game that's competitive, man. Oh, I'm a rotor guy. I'm a throw the controller off the wall kind of guy. I should stream that shit. Didn't I say? Oh, that's such a good idea. I was saying before in the NY session. I should, guys. I was thinking make a DJ stream. So basically, I'm gonna be standing up like this because my table I can lift up, right? Stand up like this. I've got my decks there. And then we're just fucking having a little rave. We'll have disco biscuits in the mouth, and we'll be vibing.
Asian session, disco rave.
Yeah, Asian session. That's such a good idea.
You like a silent disco, mate?
Yeah.
Be sick.
That would be fucking joke.
That would be jokes. I was also thinking as well, Caitlin said a good idea. We should, as a group, do like some Zoom, like what's it called? Like trivia like games. What's it called? Like just like a Zoom call where we all just fuck around and have drinks and stuff, and like, we play a quiz. Yeah, like a fun quiz or something. If anyone could think of ideas of what we could do with that, that'd be hilarious.
Yeah, that's good.
Do a poker night, bro.
Builds a community.
Oh, poker night.
Yeah, do a poker night.
Fuck yeah.
It lasts for ages as well. Do like we can all put in like 20 quid or something, and then.
How many people can you play with? 50 people? Nah, you can't.
No, I don't
Can't
know.
play with 150 people.
Yeah,
that
that'd
is
be going on for fucking 4 days.
yeah. Oh, he's got the clouds. Look at that.
Of course.
That's nice. Yeah, I saw that shit on TikTok. That's fire.
That's hot, sir.
That's hard. Oh, you got the light up cords as well. I want to get some of them. Oh, nice.
Is that LED clouds?
Yeah, you put like LEDs through it, right, and you just make it full of yeah, like just what's it called? Yeah, like the clouds kind of shit. That's sick, that. Wait, but thinking about that now, wait, are you in the UK? Sounds like you are.
Yeah, I am.
Are you not sweating your gooch off? Does that not like an insulator?
I'm
sweating your gooch off.
I mean, I've got the fan on me directly from behind. So
yeah, that's fair.
I'm good.
That's fair. That's fair. Yes, didn't use it, but Max did receive it, I think. Yeah, payback effects have been paid out. It takes 30 days to get your payouts of like, so if I took a trade today, which I did, that money for the commissions will come out 30 days from now. And you just withdraw it to PayPal, and it goes straight into PayPal after the 30 days. It's worth it, man. It's 37. I mean, I don't know why I'm saying it's worth it. There's literally not one drawdown to it. They literally just give you free money for doing absolutely fuck all. It's 37%. So I get 37% of my commission back. That's a big chunk. Especially if you're trading fucking 10 lots, I tell you that. So coming towards 9 o'clock. Did GJ continue? Not GJ, sorry, Goldie. Yeah, Goldie's starting to struggle. AJ's done the move. EJ's done the move and GJ's pushing. I just closed full there, so yeah, pretty happy with that. And yeah, so later on, I'm either going to wait for a buy above 165, or if we do blast above it, which I probably hope it can, to be honest with you, then I want to wait for retracements. I'm going to wait for some support. So if price blasts off over here like this, I'm going to wait for some support to form either here, so then ride it back to the highs. And the setup I'll be looking for would look like this. This, yeah. Nice push above, support form, bosh. That's what I'm looking for. So, if you guys do want to join the mentorship, it's probably the best week to do it right now because loads of other new people are joining. And yeah, we're going to be doing the simulation session at 10 o'clock. We're doing that for 3 days this week. Homework's coming out this week and 2 webinars. You also get access to the G Drive, which we've gone through over here. Webinars, simulation sessions. You get access to the Zoom and NY session for only £50 a month. It's a no-brainer. My retention on customers is fucking huge because it's good value for money, man. So yeah, hope to guys see you there. Yeah, let's take a look. And yeah, we'll see you guys for NY session. I'll put the link for the mentorship. Oh, it's just there. The bot just put it in. And yeah, we'll see you guys next time, I think. So 8:50, yeah. We'll chill out over here, guys. Thank you so much for coming on. Peace out, squad. Another dub as well on the stream. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out, squad.
Cheers, Max.
See you later, squad.
See you later,
Peace out. See you later, Zoom.
Cheers,
Adios,
Max.
amigos. See you later, guys. See you later, YouTube. Thank you so much for coming on. Magic Keys though, Magic Keys. I'm gonna do I'm gonna do it on Friday. Yeah, Friday. So thank you very much, guys, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.